Let me first of all congratulate you. I don't know how. I'm lost for words. 10 years is no mean feat. It is a great, great achievement. And it doesn't come like that. It doesn't come like that. I have been in the world of work for 52 years now. Don't guess my age. I have seen a lot. I taught for about 26, 27 years, and then looked after workers for over 24 years. I've been places, I've seen workplaces. I've seen the best, I've also seen the worst. I haven't yet come across a workplace that could boast a decade of injury-free operation and no time lost because of injury. I think this is a record. And it takes the entire team, ladies and gentlemen. It takes the entire team to be able to achieve this. Each and every one of you have contributed to it. It begins from the management. It begins from the management. It takes meticulous planning. It takes strategizing. It takes planning of policies and implementation of policies and how it cascades down from the top management through the supervisors to the staff on the floor. It all comes because you work as one family. And I believe this achievement is because of the camaraderie that you enjoy, because you enjoy your work, because you are cared for at your work, because you are happy at your work. When you are happy, when your morale is high, when you admire your supervisors, you want to achieve for the organization. I've always said that a happy worker is a productive worker. And to be a happy worker is not always the money. It is about having that sense of belonging. Ladies and gentlemen, I was also, more than half my teaching career, I was at supervisory level. I looked after my team. And the team looked after me. That is how I found it worked the best. It is about being a caring supervisor. It is about being able to understand the individual's challenges, difficulties, and assisting each one to overcome the challenges or difficulties they may be going through at that point in time. And that is what makes a true HR person, a true supervisor. As I look at you all, I believe this is an ideal workplace. Today, we gather here to celebrate a remarkable achievement by Essity Pacific, a milestone that exemplifies dedication, commitment, and excellence in occupational health and safety. It is an honor to announce that Essity Pacific, the leading site within all of Australasia, has reached a significant milestone, 10 years of lost time injury free. This is truly a remarkable achievement that deserves our utmost recognition and applause. Ladies and gentlemen, achieving a decade without any lost time injuries is no small accomplishment. It speaks volumes about the unwavering commitment of the entire team at Essity Pacific towards creating a safe and healthy work environment. It is a testament to the meticulous planning, rigorous safety protocols, continuous training, and most importantly, the collective effort of every individual within the organization. Ensuring the safety and well-being of employees should always be a top priority of any organization. And Essity Pacific has set a shining example for others to follow. By prioritizing occupational health and safety, Essity Pacific has not only safeguarded its workforce, but has also set a benchmark for excellence in the industry. Today, as we celebrate this remarkable achievement, let us take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate the hard work, dedication, and vigilance of each and every member of the Essity Pacific team. It is your commitment to safety, your adherence to protocols, and your consistent dedication that has enabled Essity Pacific to achieve this extraordinary milestone. I would also like to extend my gratitude to the leadership and team management for their vision, leadership, and sound policies towards creating a culture of safety within the organization. Your guidance and commitment have played a pivotal role in this remarkable achievement. Ladies and gentlemen, in ensuring a healthy and safe working environment for all, my ministry is currently reviewing the health and safety at work legislation and policies to international standards and best practices, including ratification of certain ILO conventions that are related to health and safety at work. Ladies and gentlemen, reviewing occupational health and safety legislation is essential for legal compliance, employee safety, risk management, continuous improvement, and employee engagement in the workplace. A safe and healthy work environment is a key factor in fostering a productive and successful workplace. Maintaining a strong focus on occupational health and safety can have a significant positive impact on productivity by reducing absenteeism, boosting employee morale, improving efficiency, reducing turnover, and ensuring compliance with regulations. Ladies and gentlemen, as we mark this significant milestone, let us not rest on our successes, but let it serve as a reminder of the importance of maintaining high safety standards, continuous improvement, and a shared responsibility towards occupational health and safety. Let me once again congratulate the entire Essity Pacific team on this momentous occasion. Your dedication, hard work, and commitment to safety have truly made a difference. Let us continue to strive for excellence and uphold the highest standards of safety in the workplace. Let me also, I know all of you are looking forward to the budget announcement this Friday. let me assure you, it is going to be a good budget. It is going to be a good budget. Good for business and good for workers. So there will be no big surprises, but there are some very good incentives. The job of my ministry is to ensure that employer-employee relationship is congenial, has that spirit in which we all discuss our issues in good faith. We are upfront. Since we have come in, the permanent secretary and I have tried our level best to try, and I just want to share this with you as well. When the 2007 Employment Relations Act was actually formulated, I was in Parliament in 2005, and I was part of the sector committee that actually went through and legislated the whole, helped to legislate the whole ERA 2007. Later on, of course, it got adulterated, it got changed, it got unilaterally messed up. And now we are in the process of changing it again, and we are reverting to what we had and also further improving it through the Employment Relations Advisory Board, where we have the workers' representative, the employers' representatives, the government representatives, all working together to make sure that we all agree to what we are, what the changes we are bringing about. And the changes are positive in the interest of workers, also in the interest of employers. The idea is to create this kind of a work environment everywhere, where our workers feel safe, secure, and well looked after, and where employers are happy with the productivity because of the environment that is created. That is what we are trying to do. I'm sorry to say that it had become very toxic in the last decade or so. We are trying to detox it. We are trying to get the toxic element out of it. So we are bringing our employers and workers organizations together and bringing back that good faith, that trust, so that we can dialogue and resolve all our problems rather than going to the extremes. So I just wanted to share this with you, that we are almost through with the review of the legislation together with the tripartite partners, and hopefully in the coming months we will see the legislation in place. Our ministry is always open to any suggestions, any advice that comes from our social partners. And we want to make sure that we create that atmosphere at every workplace where we have that happy work environment. With these few words, once again, let me heartily congratulate you all for this achievement, and I wish you all the very best in the next decade and the decades to come. And I pray to the Almighty that you'll continue with this record, with the people like Mr. Eastgate. I met him for the first time when I went to the Fiji Commerce and Employers Federation after becoming minister, and I was being looked at a bit suspiciously because of the background I come from. He was one person who actually was very good at breaking the ice. And since then, we have become very good friends. So, and I've assured the FSF that, look, as minister, I have to make sure that all that we do is in the interest of all of us. If there is no business, there is no work. So both have to be looked after, and that is the way the ministry is going. God bless you all, and thank you very much once again for the invite.